friends, and welcome back to my channel! It is I, Erin, and today I did a little Memorial Day weekend makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. But if you're watching this video and you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, join the darling army! Alright, let's go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching me get ready for Memorial Day weekend for work. I've got my little red, white, and blue eyeshadow look going on and a red lip. My wife is of course making all the noise while I'm recording this. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, join the darling army. It's a fantastic place. And if you'd like to follow me on all my other social medias, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. That's all at I'm a Pluralist. And if you'd like to support me on my creative journey, you can become a patron on Patreon. The link is down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!